guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. If you like unboxings, I do quite a few unboxings on this channel. I also have a lot of perfume videos every Friday and videos on empties and other things as well. If you are interested in any of that, if you have not already subscribed, it would mean so very much to me if you would hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on these two subscriptions. So today I have the Macy's Beauty Box, and the box is so unruly the way that they package it. So I just grabbed the little pink paper insert, and then I have the Walmart Beauty Box. This is the spring box, and it is the March box for Macy's. I'm going to start with the Macy's. It does come with a little flyer. They always have one of these, and this month it has a $10 off, and they've changed it. It used to be that it was just $10 off any beauty purchase. This time it now says $10 off of 40, which is very unusual. I'm not worried that you're going to use the code because I've already used it. This box actually came the day they were doing a flash sale, so I used my code and got a perfume. So I'm very excited about that. But 10 off of 40, it used to be like it just said $10 off and it didn't have a total, but you had to do like 20, but now it's up to 40. So that kind of makes the value a little less than it used to be. At least it's a $10 though, so that helps a lot. All right, first thing that I'm pulling out of here is from Rituals. This is the Ritual of Sakura. This is the organic rice milk and cherry blossom scent, and this is the foaming shower gel. I really like these. I've gone through several of them over the years, and I've enjoyed all of them that I have. I find like I go through them quite quickly because I feel like they either have less product or I use more when it's foaming than when it's just like a regular body wash. That retails for $12.50, which I'm not sure if this is the full size is $12.50 or if this one's $12.50. I'm hoping the full size is $12.50. Then I'm pulling out from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Cucumber Gel Mask. This has been around for a long time, and I don't really enjoy this. Like, I finally finished my container of it, and I was so happy. And I pass along all of the other ones that I get because I just don't really enjoy it as a mask. It retails for $55 for the full size. This is obviously a very small size. It's about half an ounce. So that's okay. It's not my favorite, but it is something that I know other people really do like. I knew this was a heavy box. So next up is this. This is Harper and Ari, which I think they also do the like sugar scrub cubes. And this is Blackberry Fizz. It does smell nice. Like, it has a nice scent to it. This retails for $10. So it's a Blackberry Fizz Bath Bar Balm. Okay, so you put this in your tub and you soak, I guess. I don't use bath bombs. So, I mean, I will keep this because it's something that I would like to use, but I don't usually take baths. So that's probably part of the reason. This is so heavy. Oh my gosh. This is a cold gel eye mask, and it says put it in the refrigerator for an hour or in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you put it on your eyes. That's really nice. It doesn't have a price on it. This must be what we got instead of the makeup bag this month. And I didn't get my box in February because I made my payment online and it somehow didn't register. I don't know what happened. And anyway, it denied my charge for my Macy's, and got the Macy's card figured out. They had some sort of glitch going on their website. So it's all good. Bill got paid, but unfortunately did not get my Macy's in February, which was very disappointing because I've been getting this since the second month that they started it. So this is what it looks like. It says just Chillin, and it has like kind of a velour on the back. It's really nice, and it's pretty heavy. I could have used this last night because I had a terrible headache last night. All right, next up is from Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. Lavender gives me a terrible headache, so this one is automatically going to be passed along because I'm not going to use anything with lavender. That retails for $12. That, again, I'm pretty sure is the full size. Retails for $12. It gets a little confusing sometimes because of what they count as full sizes. And, like, I know they sell these, and I mean, it even has a barcode as a travel size. All right, from Glamglow, this is the Supermud Clearing Treatment. I've used this before. It's a pretty good mask. I need to see how many of these I have. This might get passed along because I feel like I already have a couple of these. The full size retails for $60. It's a very, like, if you have any issues with your skin, it's going to be a really strong mask to use. So keep that in mind. So next is Scentered, Restoring Lifestyle Balance Naturally, De-Stress Therapy Balm, 100% natural. So you put it on your temples, your necks, and your wrists. And the scents in here, I saw this more, chamomile, neroli, and mandarin. So not too bad of scents. Those are all ones that I will use. This retails for $24 for a full size. And the full size, it looks like a full size lip balm kind of thing. And this is definitely small. Ooh. It's very earthy. And actually, I don't know if I'm going to use it. I might pass this along to somebody that I know that's more into essential oils because I don't like the more woody, earthy type scents. So that was my Macy's for the month of March. Do I like it? It was okay. I'm missing the perfume. Like, I'm assuming that they're putting this in instead of the perfume this month because they're trying to do something different. But really, I love the perfume samples. This is a very kind of well-rounded box. It seems like they're trying to do themed boxes now, which I don't know. I kind of liked the mix of things. That's one of the reasons why I liked Macy's. You got skincare, you got some makeup, you got different things. And I don't know if these really feel like the most luxurious brands. Like before we'd get Estee Lauder and Lancome, like ones that felt like pretty expensive and high-end brands. I mean, yes, Glamglow is a pretty expensive brand. So is Peter Thomas Roth. But the rest of the, like, Rituals is semi-expensive, and this is something that I would expect to see in a Macy's. But these, not so much. Like, I don't get Macy's to get Mario Badescu. Like, this is something that I get as a free gift from Ulta. Harper and Ari is fine. I don't know. It just doesn't feel as worth the price as they used to. I know they've been having issues since last April, when everything shut down and they suddenly couldn't do anything. So hopefully as time goes by, they'll take into consideration like where they started and go back to their roots. All right, let's go on to the Walmart box. Now, Walmart is also making big changes. They are now, instead of $5 a season, $6.98 a season. So they've gone up almost $2, basically $2 plus tax, you know. So this is what it looks like. Same box that they've had for a little while. I liked the ones that were like, you know, like a shoe box that you could just pull off. But this is what is in it. The first thing I saw is this giant scrunchie from Scentered. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it is animal print. I am not an animal print person. And while I do like scrunchies, I like the scrunchies, like, I use them as a functional thing, not as a fashion statement. So I have a friend who I think will absolutely love this. So I'm going to give this to her because I think she will enjoy it so much more than I will, because I don't do a lot of animal prints, and I think she would like the scrunchy part better. So these retail for $4.97 to $7.97, which is pretty good for the price of the box. They are trying to change things up. Then the next thing I have in here is a toothbrush. This retails for $3.99. I did grab out the little flyer that they've started to include, which is a nice touch. And this is a charcoal toothbrush. I have a electric toothbrush now because my dentist recommended it last year, and I've just been using that. So toothbrushes now, I'm going to be passing them along. What I should do is try to like get together some stuff for a shelter or see if friends want them. Then there is a toothpaste as well. This is Hello Antiplaque Whitening. It's natural peppermint. So this also will get passed along. The full size of this retails for $4. So this is about $1 worth of toothpaste. If you don't know, I'm allergic to peppermint. Can't use it in toothpaste. Makes it really hard to find toothpaste that doesn't cause my gums to like bleed and be sore all the time, and my tongue and under my tongue and my lips. Like I can't have any peppermint lip balm either. All right, next up is from Bliss. This is the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for all skin types. The full size retails for $20, $19.96. Close enough. And let's look at this. This is probably something that I will use because I do like gel moisturizers. And it is, it's sealed. It has a safety seal. That's awesome because I have so many moisturizers right now. So this one I know I can put off using and I don't have to worry about it. Then I have Tanologist face and body drops. I don't tan, like obviously, like look at how pale I am. So this I will pass along. I have a friend who does self-tan, so she gets all of my self-tanners. And the final thing I'm pulling out of here is Dashing Diva Gloss. These are real gel. They're really pretty. Their colors are really pretty. Kind of similar to the awful shade that I'm wearing. Like it's not awful. It didn't work well for me as a polish. This retails for $6.97 and you have 30. It says it has 32 strips in here, but this is only 20. So I don't know. Is that 2 applications or do you throw out half of them? I don't know. I don't do a lot of nail strips or fake nails. I'm going to try them though. That's one of my things. So do I think this is worth the $2 increase? Kind of. I like that they're trying to experiment with things, and I feel like I got at least a couple things that I will use. Like I'll use the nails eventually, and I'll use the moisturizer eventually. The other 4, I don't know. If this was like more of a regular scrunchie, I'd probably be more excited about it. Never going to be excited about that. And obviously the toothbrush and toothpaste would be good for almost everybody except for me, just because of my stupid allergies. Anyway, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Do you get Macy's? Do you get Walmart? What did you get in your Walmart box if you get Walmart? What did you think of what we got in the Macy's box? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.